How to buy from AliExpress and sell products on TikTok Shop. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can sell AliExpress products directly on TikTok Shop. So the first thing you're going to have to do is make sure you have an account on AliExpress. Once you have an account, you're going to have to search for products with reliable sellers and fast shipping. Once you have the products, you can just tap on the product to view its details. And then once you have the details of the product, you can just enter and set up the product on your TikTok shop along with its descriptions and prices. Obviously, you have to set up the price a little bit higher than what it costs you on AliExpress to gain profit. And once you get any orders on TikTok shop, you can directly set up the order on AliExpress, get the customer's address or location, and then add that as your shipping address on AliExpress. This is quite convenient because you don't have to hold stocks of the product on your hand. You can directly use dropshipping. And once you've set up the order tracking should be done correctly, and you must update your customer on a frequent basis and respond to their questions in a quick manner. So that's pretty much it, guys. That sums up the whole story. And if you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.